7 Culinary Tofu Facts. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is a versatile and nutritious food made from soybeans. Here are 7 culinary tofu facts. 1. Origin. Tofu has been consumed in China for over 2,000 years and is believed to have originated during the Han Dynasty. It later spread to other Asian countries, becoming an integral part of their cuisines. 2. Soybean-based. Tofu is made by coagulating soy milk. Soybeans are soaked, ground, and then mixed with water to create soy milk. The milk is then curdled with coagulants, traditionally nigari, magnesium chloride, or calcium sulfate, to form curds. The curds are pressed into blocks to obtain tofu. 3. Types of tofu. Tofu comes in various textures, which are mainly classified as silken, soft, firm, and extra firm. Silken tofu has a delicate and custard-like texture, while firm and extra firm tofu are denser and hold their shape better, making them suitable for grilling, frying, or stir-frying. 4. Neutral flavor absorption. One of the reasons tofu is so versatile is its ability to absorb the flavors of the ingredients it is cooked with. It acts like a sponge, readily absorbing the flavors of marinades, sauces, and spices, making it a popular choice for various cuisines and dishes. 5. Nutritional benefits. Tofu is a valuable source of protein, making it an excellent plant-based protein alternative for vegetarians and vegans. It is also low in saturated fat and contains essential amino acids, iron, calcium, magnesium, and other nutrients important for a balanced diet. 6. Culinary uses. Tofu can be used in a wide range of dishes, from savory to sweet. It can be grilled, stir-fried, sautéed, deep-fried, blended into smoothies, or even used in desserts like tofu cheesecake or tofu chocolate mousse. 7. Vegan and vegetarian cuisine. Tofu has become a staple in vegan and vegetarian diets, providing a valuable source of protein and contributing to a balanced and varied plant-based diet. It has also gained popularity in non-vegetarian diets as people embrace more meatless meals. Tofu's versatility and health benefits have contributed to its popularity worldwide, and it continues to be an essential ingredient in many cuisines, particularly in Asian cooking.